Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity speak hints in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then after that, in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then in the voiceover, scroll down again and then tap the activities. Then in this part in the activities, tap your activity. Then in your activity, scroll down and then go to verbosity settings section and then tap the speak hints. Then in the speak hints, if you want to change it to on, just tap the on until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it also to off, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it back to default speak hints, just tap again the default, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully changed activity speak hints in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!